Right, back heading up to the Teigngrace again. Here we go, on we get. Let's see if we can get on here without falling over and holding the camera all at the same time. Right, okay, feet in the pedals. Well, kind of disappointing in a way, but you know, what I find interesting now is that the authorities haven't even thought that it might be important to start putting QR codes now on their information boards and leaflets and things. Instead they're focusing on this ridiculous type of humour where if they put QR codes on there, we could have links to their website giving all the proper information. And it's just so easy to do now, and the majority of people have smartphones, you know, much to the seniors' annoyance, but that's just true. Okay, right, now what do we do here? See, what a ridiculous place to put a board with information on it. It doesn't make sense, does it? It's almost as if the person who put that there... Please keep to the public footpaths, keep dogs on leads, under control and away from farm animals, of course. Oh, we have a bridge to go under. See, the board's on the inside, but not on the outside. Common sense. Said Stan Laurel. Oh, this is nice. Stags for sale. Oh, that's interesting. I wonder how many stags they've got. Oh, we're on. Oh, cyclist region carriageway. Oh, cyclist rejoin carriageway, not region. This is different. If route ahead is flooded, follow the black sign. Right, so we're going Stover Trail to Bovey Tracey. So we're now back on the road, which is going to be private van. Right, we're now on to a road. Please observe parking restrictions. Morning. Right, okay. We're onto a road. Looks like we turn right here. I'm not following the phone at the moment, or the map on the phone. I'm Stover Trail to Bovey Tracey. Still the Templar Way. Do you know, I've got my doubts. Okay, we'll try it. So we've come around here, going under a bridge again. It's quite nice. Wow, imagine this 6 feet under. Alright, okay. This is pleasant. Nice passing points as well, should we need them. This ride out is all kind of experimental today because I'm trying out the gearing, the Ethnio drive on the front, trying the camera. This is a GoPro Hero 9 black, and and I've now got the media mod attached to it, which gives me the extra microphone on the top, front and back, so I can choose whether I'm recording from the back sound or from the front. It also gives me auxiliary ports if I want to use an external mic. So I've got they give you like a little foam, it's a wind muff that goes on the top. I've got that on at the moment, so that'll be interesting to see if that cuts out any wind noise today. And I've also got that set on the camera to filter that out as well, so at the end of this ride I'll be able to get this onto the computer and have a look and a listen and see how it's come out. So I'm moving the camera about a bit today because I need to experiment of what the recording pickup is in various positions on the trike. See, I've moved it now to the front, and that's about where it would be. It's quite a way away now. Keep dogs on leads at all time, farm animals, thank you. Looks like we go straight on. Interesting. I can hear traffic way off in the distance, so there's obviously a major road somewhere around here. This is what I call a double back ride today. As I think I explained earlier, I've parked halfway along this trail, so I'll actually ride out to Bovey Tracey, hopefully, or at least until I can pick up the Dartmoor Way route, and then double back to where I parked the car, and then go off in the other direction towards Newton Abbott. And then obviously when I get to Newton Abbott, double back to where I parked the car at Teigngrace. Not bad, not bad. I'm having quite a bit of trouble with Google Maps at the moment. It's I don't know, there's still glitches, I think, with it, that it doesn't quite get things right for some reason. When I first put in the car journey on it this morning to work out how to get from my home to Teigngrace, it gave me a distance time, I think, of 1 hour 3 minutes. Well, it gave me a choice of 3 routes, none of which I wanted to use. So I went my own way for most of the way, and then turned it on, started it, and once again it gave me a time of, well, then at that point I think it gave me a time of 19 minutes. So the actual journey took me about less than 30 minutes, but originally it gave me a time of 1 hour 3 minutes. And plus it kept sending me down these little lanes that had road closed on them.